Hey Everett, are you flossing your teeth?
Hi. Yeah, we floss teeth. Now, if I'm flossing my teeth, he has to have a piece of floss as well.
He's good at
He
it.
kind of freaks out. Come here, baby.
What's he doing?
I'll help you.
I'm flossing.
And the other side too?
Say, Grandpa, you'd be so proud. Oh,
yeah.
whoops. Where's your floss?
Got distracted by the remote. Use your floss. Floss your 4 teeth. Ooh.
Do it, just like Daddy.
Flossing, flossing. Mm-hmm. Yeah, but you're not supposed to eat it. Floss me too? Oh, okay. Help me. Oh, yeah, thank you.
Good job.
Oh, thanks. Oh, no, I mean, you're supposed to floss me. Yep. Floss my teeth. Bee. Good job, baby. Good job. Oh, yep. And floss you now. And floss me now. Okay. Yep.
Nice. Sharing. Everett, what is that?
You are cute. Ooh, yeah, pull that through.
Good job.
Whoa. E, teeth. You got it? Like picking up a piece of rice.
Good job. Whoa. Say bye-bye.